Hello guys, it's Ella from Egypt and welcome to Global Beauty Kit. Today I'm going to do an Egyptian eye look. I will guide you through the whole look and I really hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment to tell me what do you want to see more of me. So I'm gonna scoot you guys in and start with the foundation. Okay, today I'm using Fit Me Matte and Poreless shade 230 to do my foundation. Okay, so guys, I did my foundation, I did my brows off camera because it's boring and no one really likes to see eyebrows. Okay, so next step is I'm gonna put the eyeshadow. Okay, so just to give you a general idea, today we're gonna use all glittery eyeshadow. Just the transition shade is gonna be matte, everything else is gonna be glittery because that's what Egypt represents to me. It's gonna be gold and blue. Gold because you know Cleopatra and all these beautiful Egyptian women always use gold in their accessories, makeup, everything. So that's what we're gonna do and I'm gonna guide you through it. Okay, so now I'm gonna use Catrice bronzer as a transition shade and see how it goes. I'm gonna use Naked 3 brush to blend. After being done with the transition shade, it's really subtle. Okay, now the fun part is I'm gonna do the eyeliner the Egyptian way. So let's scoot you guys in so you could have a closer look. So this is how it should be. It should be like empty from inside. And now we will take the eyeliner to under my eyes. So I'm using me now baking powder, HD powder. Yeah, just a little bit. And now while my under eye bakes, I'm gonna put lipstick using Kylie Jenner Candy K lip gloss and done with the amazing lip gloss. Woo! Bye bye powder. Bye. Here is my eyeliner and we're gonna draw a straight line in both eyes. And now I'm gonna just the other eye and tell you how it went. So guys, this is like the baseline or like the basic line of my makeup today, and now we're gonna fill in some lines with gold here. And which gold are we gonna use? This shade. Now we're gonna grab a flat brush, clean flat brush, for that, and we're gonna fill in the lines. I'm gonna do a little blue turquoise from these shades. And now guys, after being done with this look, I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you were able to follow through. It's really easy, some basic lines, even if the lines are not straight, you know what, it's pharaonic, it should not be so precise. So I hope you really guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Global Beauty Kit and leave me a comment of what you want to see in the future from me. So I love you guys. Bye.